So now next concept is missing frequency concept in median. So which is one? The missing frequency concept in median. Okay, missing median. How to find the missing frequency? Let's take this. Here the missing frequencies are there too. We need to find the y value. We need to find the x value. These are the two missing frequencies. We have to find it. Okay. So two missing frequencies, x and y we need to find. Okay. These are two missing frequencies. We have to find it. Okay. In median. Okay. If the median is given as 28.5. Okay, 28.5. Median is given as 28.5. Find the value of x and y. We need to find the value of x and y. Okay, now they given here class intervals. Okay, now and the total frequency. If you add this whole total given here, we have to look at this. So how many students will forgot to look at this? If you add 5 plus x plus 20 plus 5, 15 plus y plus 5, they give as total is 60. Okay, the total number of observations given as 60. Okay, now first of all, so how to solve this? Solution. First, same as it is. Class intervals. Go with class intervals. Next, frequency, class intervals, frequency, and cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. Okay. So, draw a box. Draw a box. Class intervals, frequency, and will be cumulative frequency. Okay, class intervals how much? 0 to 10, 0 to 10, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Okay, yeah. Frequency is 5, x 20, 15, y 5, and total is 60. Means sigma fi is equals to 60. Sigma fi equals to 60. Yeah, let's go with the cumulative frequency. What is cumulative? What I told to when what I given cumulative means, first of all you are right 5 as usual. What is that here? 5 as usual. Then after that you need to add this now 5 plus x right here. Okay, it will be 5 plus x. Next 5 plus 20. That is 25 plus x. Next 25 plus 15 means 40 plus x. 40 plus y. It will be 40 plus x plus y. Next 40 plus 5. 45. 45 plus x plus y. Again I am repeating. Is that here? 5 plus x plus 20, it gives to 20 plus 5 is 25. 25 5 plus 15. Okay, it will be 40 plus x. 40 plus y, it will be 40 x plus y. 40 plus 5, it will be 45 x plus 5. Okay, this is given. What I said, this is called as n. N is equals to n equals how much? N equals to 45 plus x plus y. Here I already told that f equals to fi. Sigma fi is equals to n. Okay, sigma fi equals to n. Sigma fi is equals to n. That equals to 60. Okay, are you ready? So we need to check here. This total 60 means here also this 2 n and also sigma fi should be equal. So here n equals to 45 plus x plus y. So in the place of n we can substitute 60. Okay. Then to substitute in the place of n, if you substitute 60, n equals 60. 60 is equals to, okay, here this n and this total fi, sigma fi, okay, should be equal. So the given total is 60. So in the place of n I am taking as 60. So n equals 60, 45 plus x plus y. Present here it becomes 60 minus 45 is equals to x plus y. 15 is equals to x plus y. Write the proper order. It will be x plus y equals to 15. Okay, give it as equation 1. Give it as equation 1. Next, the given here median is 28.5. So substitute these values in a median. Median equals to, what is the formula of median? N by 2 minus CF by F into H. This is the formula of a median. Okay, in this substitute the values. So what is n? N equals to 60. And what is CF? So to know the CF, first we need to know the highest frequency. What is highest frequency in this? In this, 20 is the highest frequency F. Okay, and the stage up. Okay, stage up is called as not opposite to this. Okay, not opposite to highest frequency, above it. Okay, above it. Sorry, here the formula is L plus median. L plus median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So this is called as CF. You can call this as CF. Okay, this is CF. And what is L? Highest frequency opposite lower boundary. This lower boundary, this is upper boundary. Lower boundary, upper boundary. In lower boundary, this is called as L. Okay, L is 20. Now what is H? H, classical difference. How much? 10 minus 0 is 10. So CF is 5 plus x. Then F equals to, highest frequency is 20. Then H equals to, what is difference? 10. So classical difference is 10. And what is L? L equals to 20. It is also 20. Okay. Yeah, 60. L is also 20. Next, what is the, yeah, we need to substitute. And also given median also. Okay. So F. Now F. Median is also given. Median. What is median? Median is given as 28.5 is the median. Median is 28.5. Okay. I will bring this. I hope till now, till that this topic you are perfect. So now substitute this in the formula, that is median is equals to, so median, first of all median equals to L plus, so first we need to find the first median is itself 28.5 is the median, is equals to, what is L value? L is 20 plus n by 2 means 60 by 2 minus bracket open, the closer bracket, and by highest frequency is 20 into H. H is 10. Okay. Some people take 5 negative value only for 5. So you need to keep a bracket. This minus indicates 5 as well as x also. Okay. Now send this 20 to here, here plus 20 becomes minus 20, 28.5 minus 20 is equals to 2 ones are 2 30s are. So 30 minus 5 is in minus x by 10 ones are 10 twos are by 2. Here 8.5 is equals to 25 minus x by 2 by 1. Cross multiplication. Go with a cross multiplication. Okay. To go with cross multiplication, what is the answer is 25 minus x is equals to 25 minus x is equals to 8.5 into 2. Then 25 minus x is equals to 8.5 into 2 means 17. Now plus send here 25 minus x is equals to 17 minus 25. So minus x equals to minus 8. Minus cancel. X equals to 8. The value of x is 8. Value of x is 8. Okay. Why? Because 25 minus 17 minus 25. 25 minus 17 is 8. Now after getting x, you want to find the y. Okay. To get y value, substitute x value in equation 1. So it will be x plus y is equals to 15. 8 plus y is equals to 15. Plus it goes, it becomes minus y equals to 15 minus 8. Next it will be y equals to 7. Okay. So 15 minus 8. Therefore y equals to 7. At last final answer you need to write it. Therefore x values are 3. Therefore x equals to 8, y equals to 7. Close the brackets. X equals to 8, y equals to 7. That's it. X equals 8, y equals to 7. Okay. They are the values, missing frequency of values. Come on, take this. So now find the median of this. How means, what is the difference between this is, let's see here, solution. If I write, you will come to know here 128, 127, I am writing here, class intervals, okay, 118 minus 126, 127 to 135, y35 136 to 144, 145 to 153, 154 to 162, 163 to 171, 172 to 180, 180. So if you notice here, previous thing is You have to check here. You have to check here. Here 126 is there. Here also it should be 126. Okay. If you go through other, like example, 0, 10, 10, 20, 20, 30. Previous problem. If you go to the previous problem, if you go to previous problem, okay. Now in the previous problem, this should be equal. Okay. But here, are they equal? No. Here 126, 127. Here 135, here 136 are not same. So what we have to do to make this them? Okay, now to if they are like this, you need to check that is they are same or like. Okay, now if not they are not same, what we have to take? Okay, what we have to do means, so we need to change new class intervals. New class intervals. So it will be new class intervals. It will be, so we need to subtract 0.5 on lower boundary side and add 0.5 on upper boundary side. Okay, now subtract 0.5 on the lower boundary side, add 0.5 on the lower boundary side, upper boundary side. Okay, here subtraction. So 117.5 to 126.5. And here 127 means 126.5 to 135.5. 135.5 to 144.5. 144.5 minus 153.5. 153.5, 162.5. 162.5 to 171.5. 171.5 to 180.5. Okay, are you ready? This is new frequencies. So if you see here are the same, 126.5 and 126.5. Okay, 135.5, 130.5. It will be same. Okay, you need to check like that. If not same, and let's lower boundary side minus 0.5, and we need to add plus 0.5 upper boundary side. Lower boundary, upper boundary. Are you getting? We need to subtract minus 0.5 on lower boundary side and add plus 0.5 on upper boundary side. Next, write the frequency. Remaining as usual. Write frequency. Frequency is 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, 2. Next, cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. So, first of all, 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 12 is 29. 29 plus 5 is 34. 34 plus 8 is 38. 38 plus 2 is 40. Okay, this is the cumulative frequency. Then we need to substitute median value. Okay, we have to substitute the median value. Okay, so first let us write what is highest frequency in this. F is highest frequency, so this is here, and oh, it's gone ulta. So I write correctly. Just switch. 5 plus 8, 5 plus 2 is 5 plus 5, 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 12 is 29. 29 plus 5 is 34. 34 plus 4 is 38. 38 plus 4 is 40. Okay, now highest frequency is F. Okay, highest frequency here, straight up. Okay, highest frequency is F, straight and up is CF. This is CF, cumulative frequency. So we need to take like this cumulative frequency, the state of, okay, state the above. Okay, now opposite highest frequency, opposite state above is called cumulative frequency, and you can take this is L, lower boundary L. That's it now. Highest frequency right side, highest frequency left side 2. Right side is lower boundary and upside is cumulative frequency. Okay, then we need to write here median formula. Median equals to formula L plus n by 2 minus CF by F, CF by F into H, CF by F into H. Okay, that is median is equals to L. What is L value? L equals to 144.5 plus what is N? This total is called as N. Okay, the last which came is called as N. N equals to 40. So N equals to 40. So 40 by 2 minus CF. What is CF value is 17 by F. What is F value? Highest frequency. F is highest frequency. It will be 12. 12 into H. What is H here? H. If you do the difference here, H. The H equals to difference 126.5 minus 117.5 means 126.5, 117.5. It will be 0, 16, 1, 9. The difference is 9. So H equals to 9. H equals to 9. So the space is not sufficient here. And I am writing here median is equals to 144.5 plus 40 by 2 minus 17 by F. F is 12. F is 12 now. Yeah, 12 into 9. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 20s are there. So 2 20s are, yeah, it will be median is equals to 144.5 plus 20 minus 17. I am writing here, I am writing on that. It's also, this is also sufficient here. Then so here median is equals to 144.5 plus 20 minus 17 by 12 into 9, that is 144.5 plus how much it will be 3 by 12 into 9, 12 into 9, 3 table, 3 3s are 3 4s are, then it will be median is equals to 144.5 plus 3 is 9 by 4 on the 4, 9 by 4. We divide 4 out of 9, 4 to the 8, 1.0, 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8, 24, 5 sum. So it will be median is equals to 144.5 plus 144.5 plus 2.25. So add it, 144.5 plus here plus 2.25. Nothing is there. Okay, 0, 5, 7, 6, 4. So it will be median is equals to 146.75. This is the median. Okay, median equals to 146.75. Are you getting? Yeah, this is the median. Take it. So now we will form there is an empirical formula relationship between mean, median and mode. Relationship between mean, median and mode. What is the formula is 3 median equals to mode plus 2 mean. Mode plus 2 times of mean. Okay, this is the relationship between mean, median, mode. This is the relationship between mean, median, mode. Okay. Are you ready? Yeah. Next, we will go with the graphs. Okay, graphical representation. These are graphs. Okay. So the graphs are called as augur curves. So we are going to discuss now augur curves. Okay, augur curves. And augur curves, they divide into two types. They are more than cumulative frequency, less than cumulative frequency. More than cumulative frequency curve. See curve. Next one is less than cumulative frequency curve. Less than cumulative frequency curve. Okay. So what we have to take for more than and what we have to take for less than. For more than, we have to consider as class intervals, frequency. More than means you have to take opposite lower boundary and more than cumulative frequency. More than cumulative frequency. More than cumulative frequency. Whereas in less than, what we have to take? In less than, what we have to take is class intervals, frequency less than na, yeah, less than. So we need to take upper boundary and less than cumulative frequency, less than cumulative frequency, cumulative, okay, less than cumulative frequency. Are you ready? Some more than, up to here, some more than, and here less than. So these are there for more than cumulative frequency and less than cumulative frequency. Okay. And next is it's a great deal of median. Median means both together, more than plus less than, more than and less than curves is called as median. Both the curves together is called as median. Okay, if you draw the graph, okay, now between two curves meet at one point, it's called as median. Example, if an less than, and like the curve will be there, less than comes like this and the more than goes like this, where these two curves intersect, if you draw the perpendiculars from here to here, x axis, from point of intersection to x axis, then we can say that this is the median. This is the where the line touches is called as median. And again repeating, this is less than curve, this is more than curve. The point of intersection of two curves and drop the perpendiculars, the perpendicular is called as, where the perpendicular meets on the x axis is a median. Okay. Median. Now let us take question. We'll solve it. Exercise number 14.4. First question. Convert the distribution about to less than cumulative frequency. Convert the distribution to less than type cumulative frequency, less than that cumulative frequency. Convert the distribution to less than that cumulative frequency. So Ci and frequency. The Ci is given as 100 to 120, 120 to 140, 140 to 160, 160 to 180. So 100 to 120, 12, 14, 8, 6, 180 to 100 also there, 180 to 200, 6 and 10. Okay, 12, 14, 8, 6, 10. Okay. Now we need to convert the distribution to less than type cumulative frequency. They are asking less than type cumulative frequency. So what we have to do is, solution for this is, solution first I told right first class intervals. Next of all frequency. Next is frequency. Next less than type means you will write here upper boundary. Next less than type means upper boundary. Next less than cumulative frequency. Less than cumulative frequency. Next points. Next it will be points. Okay. So these are the things you need to consider. Points, less than cumulative frequency, upper boundary, frequency. Okay, so what is that? 100 to 120, 120 to 140, 140 to 160, 160 to 180, 180 to 200. Okay, 200.